Hello traders, welcome back again. So in today's video, I want to discuss 3 ways to invest in forex trading. Making money from trading forex is real, but how do you go about it? Especially if you are new to the forex industry. In this video, I'm going to break down the 3 ways you can pick. This will solely depend on your kind of personality or lifestyle, okay, that you can invest in the forex trading market. So if you are new to this channel, we are right way traders. What to do here is discuss forex trading in the reality or the perspective of a retail trader. And in previous video, we explained who a retail trader is, which means just an ordinary person that can trade from his home with his phone or laptop. So this playlist, we've been bringing videos. This is the third video in this playlist, kind of introducing Forex as a whole background to new traders or people who find it confusing. So in this playlist, this is the number 3 video, 3 ways to invest in Forex trading. The first video will explain what Forex trading is and how it works. The second video will explain why forex traders lose their money within the first few months they start trading. And this is the third video, which will be talking about the 3 ways to invest in the forex trading market. So if you are new to this channel, why not like this video, share it to anybody you feel it will be helpful to. Also subscribe to this channel so that whenever I post video like this, you are going to receive the video. We'll still have a lot of things to do, like bringing the vital information that you need as a retail trader and teaching you the steps into going into forex trading. So that being said, let's dive into today's topic. So you may be new to forex trading. Your aim is to make money from the trading market. These 3 ways I'm going to list here are the top 3 ways that you can make money from trading, especially as a retail forex trader. You want to start small. You have to make your choice in selecting the one you want. You can pick anyone, you can start from any place. This will solely depend on your kind of personality. Going into forex trading takes a lot of hard work to learn and process. Okay, so that's why I'm going to give you the first option here. The number one option as a newcomer, a newbie that wants to go into forex trading, the number one option of making money quick is to invest in an already established trader. Okay, invest in a good trader. So you don't really have idea on how to run your technical analysis, how risk management works, how to execute trade and the rest, but you have this trader that is successful and has a track record. Okay, so what you want to do is to invest in this trader and share or split profit. One of the ways to make money in trading without even learning it yourself. Okay, so I'm going to give you the vital information you need to pick or things that you need to go for before investing in any trader at all. The number one thing is to seek for the trader. Okay, seek for the trader that is good. Let's say this is a trader. Okay, his job is to trade and manage funds. Okay, the first thing you should know is not just investing your money, sending your money to traders just like that. What you should do, if the trader has a window or a services of trading for people, what you should do is to ask for the track record of the trader, which should be a proof. Now, this track record means that you are going to ask for the trader's past performance, how he has performed minimum of 6 months, how he performed in the minimum of 6 months. This will make you understand where the trader is going, how you are going to follow the trader, and how much you need to invest to make your required amount. Okay, so ask for the trader's track record, seek for the trader, the good trader that you want to trade with. Ask for the track record to confirm where you're going. Then you now have to discuss on the contract. Now the contract is you are going to make a deal with the trader on how much you are going to be raising as a capital for that trader. How much is he going to split with you? And then every other thing that has to do with the deal that you have to sign. You are going to discuss it. The splitting could be 30, 70, or anyhow you agree with the trader. The trader takes 30% and you take 70% of the profits that is being made. And then you discuss the maximum drawdown. Maximum drawdown is the maximum amount you are willing to lose on your trading capital. And mind you, if you are going for a trader, you don't necessarily have to send your money to this trader to invest for you. Okay, there are procedures which the trader is going to give you so that you can open your own trading account and send login information to this trader that will have to trade it for you. If you are sending a login in information to trader, the trader does not have access to your money. they only have access to the trading authority of that account. They can only trade it, buy and sell with the account, but they cannot withdraw from it. So that's why this is one of the options to go for if you want to invest in forex trading. People that goes for this kind of option are people that don't really have time to learn forex trading themselves or have other things to do. They just want to invest in an already good trader. You make the contract with the trader with how much you want to split, the maximum drawdown you can go for. Let's say maybe you say if the trade goes less than 15%, the contract should be off. That means if you send the trader, let's say if you invest $1,000, okay, it means if it reduces by $150, anytime you lose $150, with the balance will now become $850. Then you end the contract with the trader and stop trading and go with your loss. This should be part of your agreement. I'm not saying this is exactly how it is, but I'm just giving a scenario on how to contract with an already established trader. An already established trader will also have their own criteria for you to join their trading investment plan. Okay, so this is one of the first steps in ways of going into forex trading, as investing in an already established trader. So what do you need as a skill before you invest in any trader? You don't need to learn any or know anything. All you have to do or learn is open a brokerage account with a recommended broker that maybe the trader must have recommended for you. Okay, fund it. Okay, after funding it, then you send the login for the MetaTrader login information. Okay, let's say it's 4 logins. Okay, this logins is what the trader is going to use in trading for you. Once he logs in his platform, he has the authority to trade your account for you. So you open a trading account with any good broker recommended by the trader. Okay, you fund it with your investment or your capital. Then you send in your MetaTrader 4 logins. The MetaTrader 4 logins is tied to your broker account. So all these steps are going to be given to you. Maybe the trader is going to show you a simple way on going about this. Okay, this is not a video to show you on how to go about this. It's pretty simple. If I have a broker to recommend to you, I'll just send you the website. You open an account with them, open a MetaTrader login with them, you fund it and you send it to the trader. Your investment starts. So that is the number one way of investing in forex trading. Number two is to trade signals. Okay, as a new trader, let's say you don't want to take the risks of sending your money or your trading logins to someone to be trading for you. So there's a downside to it, which is you may lose everything in your account if the trader is not well trained or doing the right thing. Okay, but that has to go back to the agreement, like what I said in the contract, the agreement on the drawdown, how much you are supposed to lose at maximum from that trading account. So if you are not satisfied with that kind of deal, you can trade signals from traders that are also good. So trading signals from trader, you also need to get seek for the trader, a good trader, seek for a good trader, almost the same step. Okay, get the track record of that trader. Like I said, track record is the previous record of the trader, how much he has made at minimum for the past 6 months. Is documented in every MT4 platform. They also have journaling platform like my FS book, which you can use in filing your track record and sending to clients to confirm for you. Okay, like my FS book, one of the best journaling sites to use in documenting your track record. I'm saying this to forex traders. Okay, so seek for a good trader, confirm the track record. If you are satisfied with it, you sign up for trading signals. Don't just trade free signals. Free signals are dangerous. Okay, trade signals that you are paying for, so that because signals they are paying for, the trader must have already confirmed the system and is already doing well with it, and you have to confirm it, confirm the track record, and then you subscribe to getting signals. Okay, now you are good to go. But not just that, if you are new to forex trading, the problem with this now is how do you trade signals? So in order to this is just a way for you to avoid learning trading yourself, taking the hustle to learn trading yourself, but it's going to take you a lot of your time, and it has to do with your emotions. Now you're already investing in good traders, people that are already making it, people that have gone through the hills and tops of trading, okay, and they have a good track record. What you want to do is to subscribe to their signals and trade it in your own account, okay. This is just a step to go for it. Seek for a good trader, seek for the track record, then subscribe, which you're going to pay ranging from maybe $30 to $150. It depends on the kind of trader per month. Some people is per year. Depends on the kind of trader that you are subscribing to his or her signals. Okay. Now, as a new trader, you will have to learn how to execute trade. That's just the basic thing you need to know. Just learn how to open a trade, how to set a stop loss, and how to set a take profit. That's what you need to learn. That's all. In order for you to make money from trading signal, learn how to open trade, how to set TP and SL, okay, then how to, this is just for additional sake, because most of the time the trader is going to provide you the lot size to use on the type of account. So but you can see add it, learn to calculate lot size. If you can do all three of these, then you can trade anybody's signal. Once the signal is being provided, so long as you're there in time, you just open your MetaTrader 4 app, you enter the trade with the lot size being given, you set your TP and your SL. Okay, this time around, you don't have to go through the hustle of analyzing your trade, fundamental analysis or technical analysis, which one are you supposed to buy, which product are you supposed to enter. That job will be done by the trader himself. It's going to go through the analysis and provide the signal for you. You are going to execute it, set TP, set SL, and learn how to calculate your lot size. If you skip this one, it's really going to affect you as a new trader. If you can't calculate lot size, or the trader is not providing you with the right lot size to use on your account, it's really going to affect you. Which is why trading signal is actually dangerous, because it's difficult to follow someone else's plan. It's even better you give the trader your trading account to trade for you than for you to be trading the signal. The downside to it, most of the time you're going to miss signals, and sometimes you're going to miss the stop loss or the take profit numbers you're going to interchange. Is going to really affect you on a long run. Okay, so but as a beginner trader, you can start with trading signals. At least this will give you idea on how trading works, and to give you idea on how to go about trading, like it will give you a live experience on how to go about it. So this is the second step of ways in making money from the trading industry. If you are trading the signal of a good trader, if he's making money, you too, you are making money percentage wise relative to the trader's account. That being said, let's talk about the last one, number 3, which is learning trading yourself. I'm going to break this down, what you need to know about learning forex trading yourself and going into it yourself. That means you have to do entirely everything. You have to do the analysis, the signal, the lot size, the stop loss, and the SL, the TP. You are going to do all of those analysis by yourself if you want to go into trading. And to do all of those, you need to get the required skill for that. So let's talk about number 3. This is the one where most traders go for, okay, after going through the 1 or 2, okay. Most of the time they have to invest in traders. Secondly, they have to trade signals. Some people trade signals while learning themselves. But here I'm going to break down what you need to know about learning forex trading yourself, okay. It's important you learn forex trading yourself, because actually everybody can trade forex. It's a very easy thing to do. You don't really need to waste much time in running analysis and entering your trades every day if you have the important or required skill to do that. 10-15 minutes in a day is enough for you, okay. Then go into maybe your other job for the day and do what you want to do, okay. And it normally takes me 10 to 20 minutes every day just to run my analysis and execute trade, and I close my system and I'm done for that, okay. That means I'm not going into that, but let me tell you what you need to learn, the required skill you need to have before diving into forex trading. In the learning phase, you are going to go through three different phases before you become finally a career trader, okay. 3 different phases. This is going to be the learning phase, then development phase, then the career trader phase, okay. In 3 different phases, okay, as to become finally a career trader. You learn what you're supposed to learn, you develop your system. It takes you a lot of time in this stage to develop a trading system that perfectly works for you. Then you dive into career stage where you now use real funds. Okay, so let's talk about the learning phase. In learning forex trading, the first things that you need to learn are understanding the market. Learn about the market. Okay, the market. When you are learning about the market, you are learning about the how to read a chart, the platform you are supposed to use. Okay, the required skill. Okay, technical analysis, fundamental analysis. You're going to be practicing with different strategies. This is your first time in forex trading. All this while you're going to be using a demo account. Okay, the demo account. In doing all of this, you learn about the market and learn strategies. You learn risk management. Okay, you learn fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis is all about the forex news. That's majorly the news, so follow news event, political event, economical event. So that is part of forex trading because that is what moves market. Okay, you learn about the market. This involves the trading skill, the strategy. I'm sorry, so sorry. The rain is really too much today. The strategy you are going to learn a lot of strategies. Okay, during my time I learned about 1,000 different strategies. I can't even count how many strategies I'm learning. But going through all of this, it is important to stick with someone that knows what he's doing. Seek for a mentor that has been there in the market for long, that can put you through. Okay, so that you don't need to waste time going around looking for what is right. They already know what is right. They'll teach you a good strategy to use. They'll teach you how to use risk management. Then they'll teach you what fundamental analysis is all about. All of this information, you use it on a demo account, practice it. For the meantime, this will normally take you to 1 to 3 months. Okay, in learning this. Okay, most people immediately they come out of this phase, they dive into the career phase and they skip this development phase I'm about to tell you. The development phase has to do with creating your own strategy. Create your strategy. Okay, your own strategy. You create your own strategy. That's something that works for you. Okay, for example, there are people that like trading in 15-minute chart. There are people that like trading in 1 hour chart time frame. There are other people that like trading the daily time frame like I. Okay, so you are going to create a strategy that is suitable for your lifestyle, something that you can flow with, that won't take much of your time. Like this, I spend 10 to 20 minutes every day. Create a strategy for it. Then create a risk management plan for it. Okay, strategy, risk management plan. In total, you create the trade plan, which is going to be your routine. Trade plan. This trade plan now is going to tell you when are you supposed to trade, what products are you supposed to be trading, how much are you supposed to be risking in each trade you are going to take, how many trades are you supposed to take in a day, in a week, in a month. All of this falls under a trading plan. Most people lose their money, like what I said on last video. People lose their money because they don't have a trade plan. At this phase of your trading stage, when you've learned the fundamental aspect of trading, okay, you need to create a strategy, create a risk plan, and create a trading plan for yourself. Now, this trading plan is going to guide you in future. And mind you, this is still a development phase. You can either use a demo account or a live account, but a minimal live account, okay, so that you can feel the emotions of trading. If you use demo accounts, only demo accounts throughout this stage, you will not have that emotions of trading with a live account before going to career mode. Okay, so you need to trade with demo account. After creating all this, practice it properly. You need to backtest what you have, your trading plan. The chart is always there, the history of the chart. This will tell you how many trades you're supposed to take in a week, in a day, or in a month. Okay, this will solely depend on your risk. I'm not giving any plan, I'm just breaking this down. Okay, in further note, I'll give you guys the best way to go about this. The trading frequency, how many trades you're supposed to take in a day or in a week or in a month, that will be okay with your risk plan. The products you're supposed to be trading, what are you supposed to be trading? What are you going to be trading? What are the best products you're supposed to be trading? How you are going to go about it? All of this involved in a trading plan. There's a video I'll make that is going to be called just trading, developing a trading plan. It has a lot in it. Okay, this is where your career trading is anchored on having a trading plan. Okay, we are going to talk about this later on in the video. In practicing it during this stage, it will take you maybe like 6 to 1 year, 6 months to 1 year. Okay, 6 months to 1 year in doing this. Okay, I'm just being fair, okay, because this has to take a lot of time. You have to go back and forth in developing what works for you, because nobody is going to give you the strategy that works best for them. They always keep it to themselves. So it's important to create one for yourself, and these are the steps to go through it. Now, within this period, you are going to be practicing or developing your trading plan. These people, some people take up to 5 years in this stage before they get to this career stage. So you are going to be practicing with a demo account or a live account. Going with a live account, you should fund your account with a little money, maybe $50, $100, all those small money that won't really do harm to your bank account. Okay, that is where you go. That is where you do. That's what you do under the development phase. Now, coming out from the development phase to the career phase, where you are now redefined. You now have a trading system that works for you. How do you know you are in the career phase? The career phase is where you start trading for living, okay, where you start making the real money. That's the most boring stage, where you have to wait for everything to work, okay. So before you get to the career stage, you must have back tested this your trading, this your development phase. Maybe let's say you've gone through this and this, you came up the development phase and you came up with a trading system. Let's call it the KJ trading system, okay. Now you need to backtest this for the minimum of 3 years backward. It's important you backtest this, especially on the daily time frame, so that you understand how your strategy worked previously. You can anticipate how it will work in future. You backtest it. Backtesting is one of the first things to do. 3 years backward, okay. If your trading system has passed the backtesting phase, what you do next is to forward test. For testing, very crucial, is just trading it on a demo account or a live account, see how it performs maybe in few months. If you test for few months, whatever the result is, if it rhymes with the backtesting result, you are still good to go. Backtest, forward test, then you have your decisions now to make, because this data will be there for you to like make a decision before you now have to seek for funds. Okay, seek funds. It's either you are trading your own money or you are trading other people's money with this your results. Okay, now this stage where you've passed all this stage and you now have the funds, that's where trading psychology comes in the most, because you now have to deal with the heavy emotions in trading. So at that stage, it is important to stick to what really works for you. You can be developing other trading system while you keep this one and keep trading it with your live account. Okay, we are going to be talking about trading emotions, or trading psychologists, what you are going to be encountering in trading live accounts and how to handle them. Okay, that being said, this is the number 3 step, the number 3 way to invest in forex trading. I just broke it down for you, the different phases that you're going to go through in learning forex trading. So learning forex trading is the best for you, because if you are going to be investing in someone's signal or someone's trading plan, you are solely depending on that person's result. But if you have your own, then you have something that belongs to you, that only you can trade for yourself for money. That being said, this is what I'm giving you guys now for now. On our next video, forex profitability and expectations. That's what are you supposed to expect as a full-time career trader. What is supposed to be your trading return? What are you supposed to be seeing? Is it possible to make money from forex trading? How much do I need to make money from trading forex? And how much am I willing to lose? All these kind of questions, I'm going to answer them in our very next video. Okay, so make sure you subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button, so that when I upload that video, you're going to see it. It's going to answer most of the important questions you have in forex trading based on the profitability and the consistency over time. So guys, see you.